black model, a roadster, top down in the night, chrome gleaming in the moonlight, running from the light. Bonnie's got that V8 rumble, wheels that never rest. Outlaw queen of asphalt, fastest in the West. Bonnie and Clyde, hot rod side by side, burning up the highway on this midnight ride. Stealing fire, hearts of chrome, two machines that found their home. Bonnie and Clyde, forever they ride. Clyde's a red Coupe Model A, old school and bold, supercharged and dangerous, worth more than gold. They met at a drag strip, engines roared as one. Two vintage rebels, always on the run.